This is awesome. This looks so good. Hello, hi. So Tencent, Hunyuan, just announced new model, which is version 3.0, and I just got my membership, and it gives 20 free credits for you to use. And I checked some of the generations, and it's actually quite improvement that I see on models. And of course, for game development, it's important for us to have proper topology and not spilled and break into the mesh and no holes and as a one whole piece, and we can make it ready for game. And I think this might be it for us to, start our 3D game. And I will try one, and I'm going to upload one of my model which I prepared on Whisk. And I also added that model into my scene in Godot, but it's generated with Hunyuan. Actually, it's generated with Tripo. And there are so many issues like the hole in it, and there is ununderstandable the stairs inside, which there are no any visible option inside. I just added this image, and let's choose 3.0, and I will just leave 1.5 million number faces. I would prefer 50k, but let's try 50k. And generate type geometry and texture. Geometry texture staged. I don't know what is that, but let's leave it as is. And I will just try to. Of course, they say just translate the page to English. This is Tencent saying. And let's say generate immediately. Now I'm focusing on how fast it is. It gave me 190 seconds, which equals to 3 minutes 10 seconds. And there are two stages. I think this is model and this is texture, huh? Let's see if it's right. Yeah, this geometry, this is texture. And let's see how the model is going to be look like. Now we have the 3D model with texture. Okay, first impression. Nice. Nice. The problem here, but that's fine. The problem here as well. And I see no holes. Let's check the bottom. That looks fine. And top, that looks fine. Even the chimney inside there is no hole. Oh my god, this is good. This is good. And let's check the solid mode. And the poly count is 50,000. And what is this? Vertex count? Yeah, vertex count 36. By the way, 50k is such a model is actually high, of course, but it's okay for vertical slice. And let's check Hunyuan, actually Tripo 3D model. By the way, I just would like to download it. I will just compare Tripo over Hunyuan 3.0. So this is my scene, and this is actually created by Tripo. And here I import Hunyuan model, and in rendering mode, wow. Let's just make them in the same size. Wow, it's so much improvement. Oh wow. And let's check the topology. And look at the Tripo topology. Man, Tripo is dead. For sure. And I will definitely pay Hunyuan 3.0. Definitely. And I will just add that into my project by using ACT add-on. This is awesome. This looks so good. By the way, this is not a paid ad or anything. I just share my honest thoughts, and let me know what you think of Tripo and Hunyuan 3.0, and leave comments in below. Thanks.